Hi guys, this is your Punjabi Chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan. Today I'm the one who's going to share his mom's special recipe Nimbu Pudina Mutton. So let's begin. To begin with, first we'll make the mint paste. For that, add some mustard oil, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. As the cumin starts crackling, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger and sliced green chili. I'm going to saute them for at least 20 seconds. Lower the heat, add turmeric powder. Cook for a few seconds. Next, at this stage, switch off the gas. I'm going to add next mint and coriander. Mix it nicely with the masala. And guys, make sure you turn off the heat while mixing coriander and mint because they could get discolor when they are close to heat. So guys, our masala is now ready. I'm going to let it cool for a while. Then I'm going to blend it into a nice fine paste. Guys, our mint paste is ready. To start making the mutton, first we'll keep the cooker. Switch on the gas. Add mustard oil. The oil is hot. First, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, cinnamon stick, and cloves. At this stage, I'm going to add chopped onion, At this stage, when the color of the onion has gone golden brown, I'm going to add the mutton. After mixing the mutton with the khada masala, I'm going to add in some turmeric and to speed up the cooking process, some salt. Mix the masala nicely with the mutton and then saute it for at least 5 to 6 minutes. After sauteing the mutton for at least 5 to 6 minutes, at this stage I'm going to add little water. Mix the mutton nicely. And just cover and cook it, not pressure cook it, for at least 12 minutes. After cooking the mutton for at least 12 minutes, at this stage I'm going to add the mint paste which we made earlier. Mix it nicely. At this stage, to add richness to the mutton, I'm going to add little curd. Make sure you lower the gas while you're cooking curd or else it will get split. To this, also I'm going to add some coriander powder, garam masala, some black pepper and salt. Mix it nicely. After mixing the masala, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And pressure cook it for at least 15 minutes. Guys, our mutton is ready. Open the lid. At this stage, I'm going to add lemon juice to it. Give it a nice stir. And now let's start plating. And there you go guys, my mother's special Nimbu Pudina Mutton is now ready. You also definitely try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.